Welcome back, everybody. Eastside Magazine is launching their brand new Locals No Tacos tour. I knew I wasn't going to get that right. It's a mouthful. And now joining us are the people behind it. It's Ashley Bowling and Codi Chen. Y'all, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Lovely to have you both here. Ashley, you previously launched the barbecue tour. We did cover that here on Studio 512. Why tacos? Why now?
Well, everybody's been asking for tacos. That's the real reason. Like, whenever we take people on the barbecue tour, they love the connections they get to make with the pitmasters or the local, we take people into the neighborhoods. And so they love the local connection and hearing a little bit of the history behind Austin and the great food we have. So it's just answering your question, really.
Oh, yeah. Lots of requests.
Yes.
And so you guys have stepped up to the plate, and you're 10 years in now. Congratulations on Eastside Magazine.
Yes, 10 years in on the magazine. The barbecue tours launched in May, and the tacos tours launched last month.
Just last month?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is cutting edge stuff. Yeah. Codi, why do you think it's important to share not only the culture of East Austin, but the tacos of East Austin?
Sure. East Austin has such a rich history, and there are so many local businesses here that are almost like hidden pockets in these different neighborhoods. Austin can feel like a small kind of town vibe, right? But there's so many hidden little things around here that a lot of people, when like locals come, they're like, oh man, I've never really explored this neighborhood before. And so being able to share the history of the East Side, share the history of all went into making these amazing tacos and different types of food that we have on this tour, as well as just showing them, especially people from out of town, where we actually live.
Yeah. And I also think there's a great opportunity here for those of us who live in this city to rediscover it or discover it really for the first time. Because when you're not a tourist, you kind of just settle into your, like, I drive on Mopac, I get to work, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
So this is a great exploration, I think, even for people who live here in town. There's a lot of visual stuff to see, including mural photo ops. Can you talk to me about that, Codi?
Yeah, absolutely. There's really wonderful, like we have beautiful gardens that we pass and get to walk through. And then also there's there's public art all around Austin. And a lot of times we're just driving through it. But we get to see these beautiful murals that are on the east side. And I've done the history on the murals or the art installations around. And so being able to tell people the story about it and get photo ops for them, especially people in town who have maybe not been able to be a part of a photo op before with that, or they're just discovering it now. It's always a blast, and people really appreciate the history of the area and where we're taking them.
That is so cool. All right. So I want to talk about the tacos that smell so good in this studio. I wish everybody at home could scent them. But La Santa Barbacha, correct?
Yes.
Tell me about this place, Ashley.
So this place is a taco truck. The girls have fairly new to the scene, I would say, over the last 3 or 4 years, I would guess. And they are so kind. They're from Mexico themselves, and they have earned Michelin recognition.
Oh, that's amazing. It was so cool when the Michelin stars started coming through in the last year. And these are not like light-hearted tacos. Like, you will get full on just one or two. Yeah. They are stuffed to the absolute brim. But we don't want to give away all of the taco spots. Is that correct?
Right. So when we visit La Santa Barbacha, we get to try, they're known for their barbacoa, so we get to try the barbacoa. And then this is a strawberry horchata. So yummy and fresh. And this is pineapple mint agua fresca. So our guests get to choose between those. So it's not just food. Are we talking about menu? Yeah, we're talking about menu. So it's not just food that you get to try on the tour, although that's the main attraction. Like we said, there's art, and then there's the drinks. Margaritas can be included that are like some like blueberry mojitos. So that's really good. Those
some fun spins on things that I haven't heard of before. Yeah.
With tequila.
With tequila.
Of
course. So food and drink is included. And talk to me about how the tour works. Do we meet you in one spot and then we all go together? How does that go?
Yeah, so we meet at this place, and then we get to try the barbacoa here. We get to try shrimp Chipotle tacos. We get to try
Chicken mole.
chicken mole. We get to try al pastor. And Cody just mentioned that someone said the al pastor was just as good as what they had in Mexico City.
Yeah.
That's really saying something.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we get to try some chips and dips along the way. I mean, the salsa is like my favorite in town. And
Guacamole.
And
Birria.
queso birria.
Oh, queso birria, I feel like
Yeah.
is so popular right now.
Yes.
But I love that I'm hearing such a wide range, like shrimp, mole, all these different things that kind of like touch on different taste palettes.
Right.
So that's really cool. Okay, Cody, who would be good for this tour? Who should, join? Who should attend?
Honestly, locals love this, and people coming from out of town, especially if you have family or friends or coworkers coming from out of town. People really love to, like, we take the guesswork out of where to take people.
Oh, nice.
And so with these, like, we have some amazing, really traditional type of tacos and then some funky Austin type tacos. And I think that locals get to discover that neighborhood that maybe they haven't wandered in before. And then out-of-towners get to see where we actually live in the city. When we're walking around the neighborhoods, like, I've got friends who live here. And it's really... that's what I've heard. The feedback I've had is that people coming from out of town actually really love to see outside of just Congress and be able to wander the neighborhoods.
So cool, guys. Congratulations on the taco tour. I think
Thank
it sounds
you.
awesome. It's just a
you.
mouthful for me. To get acquainted with the East Austin taco scene and meet these wonderful tour guides in person, visit eastsideatx.com/food tours.